Welcome to the AI Comparer, the channel where we use the latest in artificial intelligence technology to compare and contrast everything from products to animals and humans. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at two of nature's most impressive predators and asking the question, who is the better hunter? The contenders in today's battle are the wolf and the leopard. Both of these animals are known for their hunting abilities, but they have very different methods of hunting. The wolf is a pack animal that hunts in groups. They have a keen sense of smell and are able to track and locate their prey over long distances. They also have a strong bite force and use teamwork to take down larger prey. They are also known for hunting large game such as elk, bison and moose. The leopard, on the other hand, is a solitary hunter that relies on stealth and surprise to take down its prey. They have a highly developed sense of smell, hearing and vision, which allows them to locate and track prey even in low light conditions. They are also incredibly strong and agile, able to climb trees and drag heavy prey up into the branches. They are known for hunting small to medium-sized animals such as deer, antelopes and monkeys. The scenario for today's battle is a hunting competition, where both animals must demonstrate their hunting skills by catching a similar prey within a given time frame. The prey will be a medium-sized animal such as a deer. So, who is the better hunter? It's a tough call, but our AI analysis suggests that the leopard would come out victorious. Despite the wolf's teamwork and strong bite force, the leopard's stealth and surprise tactics, coupled with its strength and agility, would give it an advantage in catching its prey in the given time frame. The leopard's ability to climb trees and drag heavy prey up into branches, its highly developed sense of smell, hearing and vision, would give it the edge in this hunting competition. Thank you for watching AI Comparer. We hope you enjoyed this comparison and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.